So guys, first method. So this is your backside of your PC. So use this one to connect properly. Okay. If you have a single, so this is mic and this is speaker. Okay. Then next, click to start. Type control panel. Then large. Click to category. Then click to hardware and sound. Then again click to hardware. You can see here, you can how many speakers you connect here, you can detect. Okay, then just double click and click to, you can text here like that. Okay, click to property. So guys, select the level 100%. Okay, and you can see here balance on 100%. Okay, and then okay, and then okay, and then close it. Then guys, next update and reinstall the audio driver. So just right click of Windows icon, click on device manager. Otherwise you can next second method, click to start and type device manager. You can see here, and then click. Then extract audio, and this is, you can see here mic and speaker both different. Just right click to update driver and search by automatic. Okay, otherwise it will not resolve the issue. Just right click and uninstall. You can see here it is removed from that. Then again uninstall driver, just uninstall it. And you can see here also, just right click and uninstall and remove that. Okay, after that guys, you have to click on here, scan for hardware changes. Okay, this is last icon. Just single click, it will detect automatically. Okay, it's audio and input output and sound also there. After that guys, select the microphone, just right click to update driver and then click to search automatically. Complete, do that like same of for a speaker, then close, and same for high residency and click to. So please extract, if you install directly for not that, just extract it. Okay, closed. So guys, welcome to my channel and how to download Gigabyte driver, motherboard driver. So first you have to come on this website www.gigabyte.com. This is officially website of Gigabyte. You can download any devices of Gigabyte, you can download driver easily from there. So first guys, you have to come this site. So you can see right hand side, this is search button, and then enter your model number which is you required. Okay, W790 AI top, and then hit enter. Then guys, click to product, click on title of motherboard name, then guys click to add, click on support. This is your motherboard. So you can see this is all driver sections. So select your operating system, which is install Windows 10, 7, 11, sorry, Windows 10 and 11. So select any, if you are any using, so no worry, you can watch this video and install any operating system. This is because installations process same. Select which is required, Windows 10, 11. Audio driver, you just click to download, it will click on. After that you can see here automatically start here, 165 size, 165 size. Wait few seconds to complete. So you can see here 165 size, just open it and double click to launch. Then click to yes. So now you can see this is installing. So it is close automatically, means guys this is installed, and then close it. Then guys, next method. So guys, next method, scan SFC scan, how to run it your system. So this is command I will give in descriptions. So click to start and type run cmd and just right click to run as administrator. Then click to yes. Then you can see this is 4 command, and if it is, do not copy paste from YouTube description, so you have to enter manually one by one. Okay, so please note which is small and capital and all. First is start. Then guys, second one, which is check health. Okay, DSM online check health, and you can copy. If it is not happening, so you have to enter the manual. Okay, like that, DSM space slash online, and then hit enter. Okay, second one command. So it is completed. Then next, third one, scan health, you can see, and then again hit enter. Now you can see here it will start automatically percentage, and wait few seconds, it will complete. Then last, restore health. Then guys, fourth one, which is restore health, you can see here we can enter like DMS and all, and please note small and capital. Okay, restore point, restore health, and then hit enter. Again guys, you have to wait. Okay, some start the percentage, it will complete. After that you can see here